Here's how I remove collections from my credit report. The very first thing that I did was I went to Identity IQ. So you can use their $1 trial so that you can pull your 3 bureau report so that you can see exactly what's going on all 3 bureaus. This is very important. Next, I made a huge list of all of the negative accounts I found on my report. Anything that was collection derogatory. You want to copy the name exactly how it was written on the credit report, and then you want to take the account number and copy it all the way down to the stars. And here's that huge list of negative accounts that I created. Next, I went to places like the Cornell School of Law and the FTC.gov to start studying consumer law so that I could understand what I was disputing and why I was disputing. Once I went ahead and created my letter, and I submitted this letter to the CFPB, and I included all of the negative accounts on it. The next thing you want to do is go to the CFPB website to make your official complaint against the credit bureaus. You want to let them know that you're having a problem with incorrect information on your credit report. Now make sure that you do this for each of the 3 credit reporting agencies. Comment the word credit to get access to our 100% free credit repair masterclass.